My name is Champana DS. I am from first year AIDS. Startup company name is OG. Product present name is nail polish. Product proposed name is Cosmic Crush. Empathizing. Development of color changing nail polish that reacts to temperature light should be in liquid state at room temperature. Define. Based on the empathizing state and considering a feeling up requirement of customers, new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name is nail polish. Futuristic product name is Cosmic Crush. Ideate. Changing color with temperature. Innovate formulas that resist chipping and last longer. Offer personalized color mixing. This is prototype of product. Testing. I request the viewers of this presentation view to comment your opinion satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.